And here's a pinch frame. And the pinch frame is actually rarer than just about any of those. Certainly rarer than a Walker, certainly rarer than a Texas Patterson or a number one. And we've sold 6 pinch frames in our company's history. This is out of the wonderful Charlie Marks collection. This is serial number 14. This is serial number 14 Colt single action. It's the only one in its original caliber, 44 Smith & Wesson American, which is what the U.S. government used to test the single action and adopt the 45 Long Colt cartridge. And it's the only one with a full inscription, full roll on the barrel, no breaks in the address. This is serial number 14 Colt single action. It's a pinch frame, and it's out of the Marks collection. Truly a cornerstone of what we do. Legendary guns, and that's what this sale has been all about, because you can go 10 years, 20 years and not see a pinch frame, let alone have the opportunity to buy one. So this is that opportunity. This is number 14. Here we go, lot number 1089, get them started. How about 160,000 bid, 170,000 bid, 180,000 bid, 190,000 bid, 200,000 bid, 225, gotta be 225,000 to play. 200,000 bid, 225,000, gotta be 225 to bid 250. 225 to bid 250,000, gotta be 250,000. 250 and now 275, it's with live. 250,000, I need 275,000. 275 and now 300,000, gotta be 3, what do you go 3, gotta be 3. 300,000 now 325. 325 and now 350,000. And now 350,000. And now 350,000, it's on the floor. 325,000's bid. I need 350,000, gotta be 350,000. The phones are out, the computers are out, it's on the floor. 325,000's bid, I need 350,000. Joe, what's your man say? Gotta be 350,000 live. What do you say? Gotta be 350,000. Selling once at 325,000.
Yes.
350 and now 375. 375 and now 400,000 right back. No fear. 375,000's bid. I need 400,000, Joe. I need 400,000. 375,000's bid on the floor. I need 400,000. He's on the right foot. 375,000's bid. I need 400,000, Joe. Number 14. Selling once at 375,000. Selling twice at 375,000. Last call, fair warning. Sold at 375,000. Bidder number 2614. Congratulations, sir. Hell of a gun, and thank you guys for the help.